Hi, this is Chris from Saving Rain. If you've seen our former videos, you've seen this diverter kit that we have for rainwater harvesting, and we've done some updates. Every company, I think, does some updates. We used to clamp our tubing on the outside, our 1-inch tubing. We can still do that on either side with you can put the 1 1/4 inch inside diameter tubing right on there and use that with a clamp, or now it's threaded on both sides. So on this side, what you see right here, I have this insert screwed in just lightly, and the 1-inch tubing I have on part way so that you can see this is a barb. So that's an insert that we have that's available. This makes it so that more people with different sizes of their barrels can utilize this diverter. This that I'm screwing in right now will fit on a garden hose. So if your barrel takes a garden hose to fill, now we have that adapter, and that garden hose will just simply screw onto there, and you can fill your barrel. Any size barrel, any size, can now be screwed in with a 1/2 inch male pipe thread adapter, and if you can't find it, we can find it. And it has also come to my attention that in my instructions I have the band wrapping around the base and the top of the gutter piece, and many people would prefer to do it this way, and that is fine. On this installation it wouldn't be possible because this is on the corner of a shed, but in several cases, if you would like to, you can certainly use the bands that are supplied with our rainwater diverter, and you can install them in this manner instead of wrapping it around the front as the instructions say. Sometimes we think outside the box. And thank you. This is Chris from Saving Rain. You can find us on www.savingrain.com.